Creating cash flow and achieving true wealth is a journey that requires strategic planning, disciplined execution, and continuous learning. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, has distilled his wisdom into actionable principles that can guide anyone towards financial independence. Here are the top 10 rules from Kiyosaki to help you create cash flow and become truly rich. Welcome to Business Tracy. Rule number 1: understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of distinguishing between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. To build wealth, focus on acquiring assets such as real estate, stocks, and businesses that generate income. Rule number 2 is invest in financial education. Investing in financial education is a cornerstone of building wealth and achieving financial independence. Financial literacy empowers you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about saving, investing, and managing money. By dedicating time and resources to financial education, you can avoid common pitfalls that many people face, such as accumulating high-interest debt or making poor investment choices. This education helps you distinguish between good and bad financial advice, ensuring that you make decisions based on solid principles rather than fleeting trends or emotional impulses. Rule number 3: generate passive income. The key to financial freedom is passive income, which is money earned with little to no effort. Generating passive income is a powerful strategy for achieving financial freedom and stability. Investing in rental properties can provide steady rental income and potential property appreciation. Dividend-paying stocks offer regular payments and capital gains, while creating digital products like ebooks or online courses generates ongoing revenue from initial efforts. Each method requires some initial investment and effort but can lead to significant long-term financial rewards. Rule number 4 is leverage debt wisely. While debt can be risky, Kiyosaki advocates using it strategically to acquire income-generating assets. Good debt, used for investments that increase in value and produce cash flow, can accelerate wealth building. Avoid bad debt, which is used for depreciating assets or consumables. Rule number 5 is develop multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Diversify your income streams to mitigate risk and increase financial stability. Consider investing in real estate, starting a side business, or generating royalties from creative work. Rule number 6: focus on cash flow, not capital gains. Focusing on cash flow rather than capital gains is crucial for long-term financial stability and wealth. Cash flow provides a consistent income stream that supports daily expenses and investments, ensuring financial security. Unlike capital gains, which rely on selling appreciated assets and can be unpredictable, cash flow offers reliable, ongoing revenue. Prioritizing investments like rental properties or businesses that generate regular income can help maintain financial health and growth. This approach ensures that your wealth-building strategy remains robust and sustainable over time. Rule number 7: mind your own business. Treat your personal finances like a business. Keep track of income and expenses, and regularly review your financial statements. This disciplined approach helps you identify opportunities and make strategic financial decisions. Rule number 8: understand taxes and legal structures. Taxes can significantly impact your wealth. Learn about tax laws and use legal structures like corporations or LLCs to minimize tax liabilities and protect your assets. Consulting with a financial advisor or tax professional can provide tailored strategies. Rule number 9: surround yourself with financially savvy people. Your network greatly influences your success. Surround yourself with people who are financially knowledgeable and supportive of your goals. This network can provide valuable advice, opportunities, and motivation. Rule number 10: take action and embrace failure. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of taking action. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Every mistake is a learning opportunity that brings you closer to financial success. Be persistent, adaptable, and proactive in pursuing your financial goals. Creating cash flow and becoming truly rich is not about luck or shortcuts. It's about making informed decisions, being disciplined, and continually educating yourself. By following Robert Kiyosaki's top rules, you can build a solid foundation for financial independence and long-term wealth. Remember, the journey to riches is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, keep learning, and take consistent action towards your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to our channel to achieve financial success.